Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now in today's episode, we're going to look at how to connect to a Terraform EC2 instance via SSH. Okay, so in our previous video, we looked at how to create our first EC2 instance using Terraform. How do we connect to the EC2 instance? Terraform apply is done, one resource added, and you can see outputs. You see public IP equals the IP address you see right here. Now if you go back to the AWS Management Console, you refresh this, you see our example Terra EC2 running. If you select it, you see that this IP address is the same, public IP is the same as you see here, right? 34.205.20.50. Yep. Okay, with your public IP now, you can SSH into your instance using SSH/-I. Now, our key pair, we downloaded it earlier, and it's found inside the downloads folder, and it's called Ubuntu 24 key. You can also check it that we used for this instance. If you look at our instance right here, see our key pair is Ubuntu 24 key. That's exactly that. That was downloaded earlier when we created it. Okay, so key pair, and then your user. This is Amazon Linux, so the user is EC2 user at the public IP address. Copy and paste this. Press enter. Yes. Voila. Now you are in. You see Amazon Linux. See you are in your EC2 user home directory. And just like that, you're in here. You can create some files if you want. See your file here, and so forth. Okay. Now, sometimes key pair may not be executable yet. Okay. So before you even log in, let's exit. Before you even do the SSH, you might have to run chmod 400, and then the key pair. The key pair is inside downloads, Ubuntu 24. To make the key pair, this key pair executable, before you run the SSH command, which is exactly this, then you'll be able to get access to it. Okay, let's do our cleanup. Our instance is still running, so we are going to run Terraform destroy. And then select yes. Okay, so our instance is destroyed. Now run it here, you see that our instance is gone and it's totally destroyed. Okay, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.